Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a crypto screener in TradingView. First, open your TradingView platform and locate the Screener tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Click on it, and then select the Crypto Screener option. This powerful tool allows you to filter through thousands of cryptocurrencies, helping you discover potential trading opportunities quickly and efficiently. It's your first step to narrowing down the vast crypto market. Now that you've accessed the screener, let's configure some basic filters. You can choose specific exchanges like Binance or Coinbase to focus your search. Next, filter by market capitalization. For example, you might look for coins with a market cap above $1 billion. You can also select specific coin types, such as altcoins or stablecoins, to refine your initial selection. This helps you narrow down the field significantly. To further refine your search, you can add advanced metric filters. Incorporate technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, or various moving averages to identify specific market conditions. You can also filter by trading volume, perhaps looking for coins with over $100 million in daily volume. Additionally, include fundamental data like circulating supply or total supply for a comprehensive view. Once you have set up your desired filters, remember to save your custom screener for future use. This allows you to quickly access your preferred settings without reconfiguring them every time. You can also export the results to a spreadsheet for more in-depth analysis outside of TradingView. Regularly review and adjust your screener settings to adapt to changing market conditions and optimize your trading strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.